quickly go over what each type does, so you can pick the right one for your use case. Manual rewards are best for physical prizes, curated perks, or event invites, anything that requires human approval before the reward is handed over. There is no API needed for its installation. Automatic rewards are for instant digital fulfillment. Think credits, subscriptions, or any reward your system can deliver in real time. These do require API integration. Promo code rewards let you distribute discount codes or access keys from a preloaded list. This is a fully no-code reward. Gift card rewards are powered by Tremendous, a third-party gift card platform. Users get a real digital card delivered directly in the widget. This requires a Tremendous account and an authentication connection.